Hey guys, Chmelaeon.com here. Today we're going to show you how to put new locks on your car, because these are the old locks, so you guys can see. This is a full set of 4, and these are really good lock sets because it even has the colored variation for the driver's side door. And you'll see that these old locks, they're greasy, they're grimy, they don't turn that well anymore, they're really dinky. And when you put them on a new one, it's all nice and shiny. It's got these rubber seals so water's not getting in your door, so I highly recommend getting yourself a locking assembly in the Amazon or the eBay link below. I suggest eBay over Amazon because they pretty much figured out auto parts. They have a really robust way of making sure that parts actually fit for your car. Also, the keys are pre-done for both the lock and the ignition, so you don't have to worry about rekeying your whole set. But enough talking about it. Link in the description below. We're going to show you how to put new locks and an ignition inside a Ford E150. This is a year 2000, and when your lock looks something like that, you got to get one of these. So, quick note regarding the Ford Econoline series: the blue head of the lock is actually for the passenger side door. This is the passenger side door. So just a quick note that the blue side, you want to use that. All the rest of these orange guys go for the side cargo door. The back door right here, and the driver's side right here. So just making that quick note. You just catch that little lock thing right there. There you go.
Yeah, me getting out of the hole again, priceless.
Alright. You go from the outside in, right?
Yep. Getting the hole. The hole is your home.
It's that simple. This is how to replace the ignition on a Ford Econoline. We have our newly keyed one right here. Genuine Ford. You can see that. Where's that Ford logo? Okay. So you take out these screws on the bottom. That pops off. And then, what do you gotta do next? You gotta hop in.
I gotta put the key in.
You gotta put the key in? The original key? Okay. Do you need that? I'm gonna grab that really quick.
I gotta get something up.
There's a nice view of the engine block, though. Oh, here we go. Let's see what we got here. There's a screw right there.
Let me see what's that. Where's the initial? This the initial piece?
Yes. Yeah, that'll work. I'm just doing this for the internet, man.
Can I have
What do you need?
Can I have the
new keys? They're right there. They're right here. Oh, you just took it out?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that was easy. Just pop that sucker back in there. Nice, man.